Hi guys, in this short video I'm going to show you this IPL hair removal device. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you everything what you get and how to use it. It comes in a really beautiful packaging, so this could also be a really nice gift. And so let's open it and see what we get. Comes with a nice instructions manual, a beautiful storage bag, and then the device itself comes nicely protected. And so you can see this beautiful device here, really modern looking, stylish. We have to remove this protection here, and then we get some accessories. Here you can see the power cable, and of course what's also very important is safety glasses. We get these nice safety glasses here and even some shavers. And in instruction we have very important information. I think you can't read that, but you can see there is a lot, and there is also a lot of safety information, so it's very important to read everything before you start using it. And what we also have is this card here where you can see which type of person or which type of skin are suitable for such therapy and which ones are not. And then we have to prepare the skin for the IPL treatment. We have to shave off all the hair, everything which is longer at least than 1 millimeter, to make sure all the energy, all the light for the treatment can reach the skin and is not deflected by the hair. And then we apply the safety goggles. We connect it to the power and turn it on with a long press. You can see the fan starts automatically, which is important to keep the device cool. You can also see that we have 999,999 flashes in total left, so it's a huge amount, so you probably can use it for years or almost decades. And then we adjust the strength, can be adjusted in 5 different settings. I would highly suggest to start with the lowest level. And so now it's in the manual mode, and so we put it straight on the skin and press here the button to release it for a short flash. We can do this 2 or 3 times on the same location, then move to the next location, or with a long press we can turn it into the automatic mode, where we have then just to move it on the skin. It is automatically then doing the flashing, and so we remove it just after 2 or 3 flashes to the next location to prevent of overdoing or overheating. And with a long press we turn it off again. The fan will then spin for a while to cool down. This is a safety precaution, really good. And so you can see that everything has been working really nice. It's easy to use and very safe as long as you respect all the safety precautions, use the safety goggles, and are not overdoing, especially not at the beginning. Also only use it on clean skin, don't use it like with cream or so. Of course it's not an overnight miracle. I would expect first results after about 8 weeks. But as you can see, it does not only work for women, also works for men, and so I can highly recommend it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.